googly eyes. Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Sophia and welcome to my channel called Cheeky Sashimi. Today, we're making some ice cream with a tropical twist. Summer is just about over, but I have a recipe for you. Or shall I say, experiment. It doesn't matter if you're lactose intolerant or a vegan. You can still enjoy this ice cream. I'm so excited to try this. I don't think anyone has tried it before, and I cannot hardly wait 24 hours for it to freeze. But between you and me, I'm going to show you a shortcut. I'm going to be making pineapple kiwi ice cream. Comment down below if you ever tried it before. I think I'm going to discover something new here. This is the first time I'm going to be cooking with kiwi. Wait until you see all the things you can do with kiwi. The ingredients we need will be a popsicle stand mold, cream of coconut, 1 kiwi, and 1 pineapple. The first thing that you're going to do is chop up our pineapple. And want to turn it on its side, and with a sharp cutting knife. And kids, make sure you have an adult handy to help. You are going to want to just first chop off the crown. And a hat. So, after you chop off the crown, we're going to cut off the sides. So right now we just cut off the sides. Now I'm going to chop off my pineapple into sections. This is a kiwi with fuzzy brown hair, and it's good for juggling. Clear set, it's kiwi time! He's doing it right. If I can't juggle, I can dog I'm the cameraman. Dad! Hey, you do your mom. Our next thing is we want to like cut the 2 buds. It's so wet. Turn it, mix it up, baby. Now we're going to blend up our cream of coconut in our blender. Our next thing is going to be our kiwi. This is going to be interesting. I have never used kiwi in ice cream.
You surprise me.
Next, we're going to put in our pineapple. I can't wait to try this, you guys. This is so good. Okay, now we are going to put our ice cream in our mold. And I think it's went up at IKEA for a good price. We're gonna put it in our sticks and we're stick in the freezer. Now we have more in the stand and on the sticks. Now we'll pop them in the freezer for like 24 hours to chill. 24 hours to chill. 24 hours to chill. Here they are. Okay, we have our popsicles down right here. They have frozen, so now it's time to see how they look. I'm excited. They are not. They are not sticking. They're finally out of the freezer and they're ready to eat. And I bet you've been ready to try this. Let me taste these. They are so good. So, my shortcut didn't work for ice cream, but 12 hours doesn't make for ice cream, but it does make a good slushie. So, do you like my video? Subscribe, ding the bell, leave a comment down below.